Hi bo love, let's make it the cake of my girl gezithandwa zami. I kill 4 eggs here and 1.5 sugar and 1.5 milk and 1 of the natsika of the oil. Zikhapu gezithandwa zami. And the cocoa powder, 1 small of the vanilla essence and 2 teaspoons of the, you see, no, and a pinch of salt. So I make it the hot coffee up. You see the hot coffee, I make it and combine it so that it's become chocolate. So up you see is rotate. I also made the carrot cake. So I showed you the carrot cake ingredients. So up again, I put the icing sugar in the cream so that is make a taste, because I make the cream to creaming the cake. You see, up I rotate so that is become thicking. You see, up is thicking for year thicking go up. So then I make the layers game that's a kind up. See is layers game go. My cake is 4 layers game that's so that is many, because we are many up is all day. Look. So I make the chocolate pie so that is topping. Ava onyenye was make is help make ava it help so that is making. Yeah, one up is a 4 layer, Yo, when I look up, I also added the chocolate. When I look, my cream is small, but is making one day I make a good cake,